All right. All right. I'm gonna start. Okay. Can y'all read that? Is it too small?
It's fine.
Yeah, that's good.
Through the opposite. So we just gotta make the table.
Um, how do we do this? Prove that it works. Um,
This is just where we like go row by row, right? And
Yeah,
all like the pop and
we
those
start from the
things.
leftmost. Yeah, try to get what we need.
is it just a text-based thing or
Yeah.
like,
Yeah,
yeah?
it should just be a table in the
Yeah,
response box.
go to table, like
Where is it?
it's like all the way at the right, like the all the way like go up, and then yeah,
Oh, okay. And then
I think it's
4 by 3.
gonna have to be a pretty big table. I think.
Yeah.
All right.
There's gonna be four wide, but pretty deep, I think.
Yeah,
Okay. And then so just go like 1, 2,
Yeah.
that.
yeah.
Yeah, it'll look like just the thing right above it with stack input and action.
Okay. Okay. So uh initially the stack is let's see, it's just $sign.
Yeah, I
And
think
then
so.
we do
I think the first thing on our stack is P, isn't it? 'Cause that's the starting symbol. Or yeah, P $.
and then the stack is still the same, right?
Well, the
I mean the
input.
input.
Yeah, yeah. And you have to do
Pop.
what-
No, a push P, right?
yeah,
Or something.
yeah. And do like the semicolon after P.
Um, and then we have, or should we do we do the underline thing to
I, I think
signify what we're
so.
doing? So first it would just be A, right? Or
Yeah, we're trying to get A.
okay, and then with P we can go to U,
Yeah,
and then U goes to um
SU.
go yeah, SU.
S goes to A goes to ID, and then ID will be A. So
Okay. So you
Can you
do,
add, can you check if you can add more rows to the bottom? Because I don't think it's gonna be big enough with just 10. Like try just
do another table. That word. Okay, never mind then. Add it.
yeah, the bottom.
I think if you click the buttons, like
Oh, here.
yeah, those.
Oh yeah, we got a bunch now.
You can make it bigger by hitting the expand button in the bottom right. Like make the whole box bigger.
They
Um,
can't really see.
yeah. Just use the two dots like underneath it. To the right of it, yeah. And just expand it a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
And it'd be like let's say the same and it would be like pop P push U. Or pop and push U.
And then it turns into S. Yukon. Push. Um, okay, put them in the same one. Like
Yeah,
yes,
I think
maybe.
so.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, on the
Oh,
notes they have push and they just have everything in there.
yeah.
Right. And then it turns into
Make sure you
a
put semicolons at the end of pushes.
or okay. And then it turns into A, and then U prime turns into
We keep U prime. We just change like
Q.
one at
Okay.
a yeah.
Yeah, I think I have to do the left first for all of
Oh,
it.
right,
Yeah.
right. I'll just do that all at the end. And then so we do pop,
Uh-huh.
push, A, and then A turns into ID, colon, okay, to ID.
And the U prime also.
All right. Okay. And then ID turns into lowercase a.
Yeah.
And then we're working with E now. So then E turns into TE.
Do we get rid of the A colon equals now?
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah.
Because I think it all gets popped.
So if we call pop once, does it pop just A or pop the whole thing?
That's
I
not
Or
think
probably
it
when
would
we,
pop
accurate.
A. So I think we have to pop it twice. Because it says that is one symbol in like the note.
okay,
So
so we'd call pop once to pop A and then pop again to
pop
pop
the
out the,
equal mark thing. Yeah.
okay.
I think
So then,
when we're deleting stuff, I think you'll do like pop next plus plus, then pop next
Oh
plus
yeah.
plus.
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, okay. So we're like after that, we're like for the next step, we're working with
E.
EU prime, right?
Yeah. And we just need to get B times C plus D.
But for this, we do pop and then next plus
Plus,
plus
and
and
then
pop
pop.
again.
Yeah. Then next plus plus e.
Okay. And then E turns into 2 T and E.
Mm-hmm.
And for this we pop and then push T and E. Right. And then T turns into FT. And then F turns into wait, where are the operations? Oh, here, times and plus. Okay, so T F turns into ID.
think so. Do we have to like, actually, I don't think we do. Like, skip forward and back. I think we can just go right to ID, right?
Um, wait, what do you mean?
Like on some of them, I just remember in the videos, they'd be like, he'd go forward and be wrong. Then he had to go back. I think this one, maybe we don't have to do that because it's like looking ahead or whatever. So yeah, I think it just goes to ID.
Okay. And then T prime turns into
I think we the
multiplication.
ID to
Oh, right,
I think
at
we do
first, yeah.
ID to B, right? And
Right
then
now, T
pop B
prime
off.
turns into, oh, right, okay. And so would we pop
I think
the,
we I think we do.
yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And F turns into ID.
Yeah.
Wait, is this even right? I think this F might turn into epsilon, not ID, because then we do, wait, hold on. Wait, so it's multiplication and then F turns into C, and then T turns into, um, T turns into epsilon, and then E prime turns into plus T and F. E prime. Yeah, I'm trying to like work it out in my head before I
Yeah.
write it all out.
Try updating the stack in the middle so we can make sure that we're doing it right too.
Okay. Um,
It'll be easier to see that way.
so here we do next, and then next again. Is that right?
I think so.
Yeah, okay.
And then we go down. Next. Now we're looking at
The multiplication.
we got it here.
Now we just need C plus D.
Okay, so F turns into ID.
Yeah. Wait, if F is ID, how are we gonna get them up? Never mind, we already got it.
And then ID turns into B.
C.
C. We found it, so now we pop it in next. And now T turns into FT. Then F turns into I. F turns into. So what do we need? We need a plus, and we get a plus from E prime. So do we F and T prime turn into epsilon, right?
Mhm.
Can F turn into epsilon?
No. Um, F can turn into ID. Can ID turn into epsilon?
Nah.
So how do we get rid of this F then? Does this thing include epsilon?
I don't think it does.
Okay.
Maybe
Give me a second.
I wonder if on like step 15, if we don't change that F to ID, then T would go to F and T prime, and we change that F to ID and that T prime to null, maybe?
Yeah, that should work. Okay, yeah,
Right.
I see what you're
Or
saying.
actually, what would we do? Actually, I don't know if maybe that wouldn't work actually, because then what do we do with that F
Because like what you're
instead?
saying is like we'll end up having this. It's just hypothetical. We'll have this, but still have this left. So then, because if we turn this F into epsilon, we'll end up with this basically, and we can turn this F into C and T prime into uh
Absolutely.
T prime into epsilon, and then
E prime
we'll
and
end up
U.
with E prime U prime as like this stuff. And then,
No, we'd only have plus D, right? If we turn the F into C.
oh right, sorry, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
And
so yeah, we can go ahead and change that, right?
can we get E prime? Can we get E prime into plus?
Yeah, E prime is plus T and E prime
E plus T E prime.
is the only way to get plus. So
And then, okay, let's do that then.
okay. So I'm gonna
Yeah,
start editing.
so what are we
This F turns into
changing?
instead of F turning into epsilon here, I mean ID will turn F into or
Epsilon.
wait, we can't turn wait.
Yeah, I think I was wrong.
Wait, are we
Something.
gonna turn T? Are we gonna turn that T into epsilon? Yeah, the T prime is what we're gonna turn into epsilon, right? Or the T.
So
No,
we turn
we have a T
this
prime right after that. Oh no, that's just a T. Never mind. After we get
excuse me.
Can you scroll down for a second? I'm just gonna see what we have. Wait, go down on step 14. I think it's star F T prime.
Oh, okay. Star F T prime. So then, um,
So I think you just need to add primes, and then only the last few steps should be messed up. Once we get to 18, it'll be different.
okay, so then
Or I guess 19 will be different.
this T prime will turn into times
I think it can turn into epsilon.
epsilon, epsilon. Mm. Epsilon E prime, where we pop this and push epsilon. And then do we just rewrite it and pop it to get rid of the epsilon? So like make this E prime. Is this right?
Yeah, that's probably fine.
Mm-hmm. Or he wrote no push E. Yeah,
Um,
I'll write what it. This is what he put for epsilon.
is this a function or do you just
Like instead
I
of writing
think
push E, he just wrote that.
he put slash slash no pushy, like a comment kind of.
Yeah, yeah,
oh it's like looks like that?
yeah.
Okay. And then here we have E prime U prime, and E prime turns into plus T E prime.
Mm-hmm.
And the plus are the same, so now we have T E prime U prime or something. U D. Where are we? Is it pop, push, and next? Or
Yeah, I think just pop next. And then also the one above that, I think you need the plus and the push.
okay. So where do we get D? The T turns into F T prime.
F gets us the symbol and T prime goes to epsilon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then E prime goes to epsilon and
Epsilon.
U prime goes to epsilon.
Yeah.
Okay. So T turns into ID.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna leave that because it's gonna stay the same. D. And then They'll cancel out. So here now we just have. Do we don't have to do anything with the semicolon, right? That's just the end of the.
I think whenever we do the U prime, or what do we have left? When we do the E prime, it has the epsilon and semicolon. I don't really know what the difference is, but yeah, I think whenever you get rid of E prime, get rid of the semicolon. I mean, you get rid of U prime, then we're just left with money.
Okay, so here you're saying we still have like that.
The semicolon is simple.
I don't know if it's like underlined or not, but
Yeah, you can't underline it.
yeah, I think just do that and like pop E prime, or I guess it goes to epsilon, or so the pop no push.
I'm just gonna do this thing. So new problem. Okay. So well, what is
I guess
no.
yeah,
Wait, so the semicolon is not a symbol, right?
I don't think so. And it's like in the top row with like all the other symbols, but there's not a way to like place it.
Yeah, I think
It's
yeah.
not in the grammar. It just has the epsilons at E prime and T prime.
Yeah, it's next to the S, the S, which gives you
Oh,
A.
hey.
Oh, I didn't see that. Whoops.
So I was at the very top. Turns into that.
Yeah, but that means we're just like, how are we gonna get it next to D? That's the problem.
Because it would go like A and then
I think it'll stay at the end because A turns into ID equals E, and then E's gonna be before
Uh-huh.
because all of that goes before the
oh yeah, because
semicolon. So the semicolon might just
the
be
U
at
at
the
the
end.
end.
Oh yeah.
I
But
think
when
it'll be at the end. It might be at the end of everything.
Yeah, because this U turns into epsilon, so it
what
just cancels out.
Oh,
yeah,
okay, okay.
just make sure you add it to the push also. Like where did
Here,
we yeah.
right there. Okay. Okay, so we're here. E is still here, still there. So here we still have semicolon, $sign, and then we pop. Oh wait, the
I think just underline the semicolon for those.
Yeah, I don't think you can underline it. It's not letting me.
No, I won't. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Mhm. Wait, what goes here?
I think on his when it's dollar dollar, he says accept or something.
Yeah. Just write accept at the last line.
Right there, or
Like
On
in
the
the where
very
you
last
have
line.
pop.
Yeah. Or like on the same line as the $2 signs.
Yeah, like replace the last pop with it. And then I think
oh,
we're good
Yeah.
for that question.
or delete this line. I
That's
call.
probably fine.
Okay, yeah,
Or
or
yeah.
Doesn't matter.
okay.
It
Let's
says
see.
it's the same thing.
Yeah.
I think if you highlight all the text, it'll keep the table. But if when you press delete,
Okay. Okay, so we start with um or sign. And the input is um, and then we push or we
it should just be E dollar sign. Should be the
E.
start.
Why is this thing here? I can't even see this stupid.
Try making the box bigger again. So like try clicking like in the white space outside the table. Yeah. Oh, no.
Wait, sure. Okay, and then so let's turn into where we put E, and then E turns into T and E.
Mhm.
Or fine. Oh, which one? And then we got T turns into FT. F turns into null. Prime. Turns into T prime, E prime, and T prime turns into um times T. T turns into no, F line.
I think it goes to epsilon.
Uh, wait, what?
I think the T prime goes to epsilon now.
Epsilon? Yeah, okay. Uh, wait, does it go on this line or the next line? There's no push E.
Uh, that's probably fine there.
Wait, this goes here and here is, wait. So then what goes here? What is that word here?
Mm.
It looks like on his, he didn't really like put epsilon in there. He just kind of like got rid of it and put the no push epsilon. So I don't know if we need that line really.
Have we been doing our action correctly? Because on his, he like does the push, and then the next line with the stack has what he pushed.
Hmm.
But ours is
So
like
you keep
pushing on
everything
like
up.
yeah.
So wait,
We did we might do that on the first one. Remember,
okay, yeah.
I mean, then maybe just create another, or see if you can copy and paste everything.
If you like click and drag, does it highlight just the cells or does it highlight everything on the left too?
If I click and drag what?
Like if you like try and copy only the right column, will it let you do that?
Okay, perfect. And then here. So
Well, that messed
is this
stuff
accepted
up
already?
though. Yeah, well, he didn't do the epsilon thing. So like if we just had like dollar sign there instead.
And delete this row
Yeah.
like that. Okay. So you're saying we should get rid of the lines with epsilon here?
He doesn't use it. I mean, it's probably fine if all of our actions match up still.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we'll just leave it
Mhm.
on here. Wait, so then what action will go here? Because there's pop. You don't pop the epsilon though, right?
So on his, he'd have like pop, no push, and then the next line he'd just have E prime there.
He doesn't have epsilon
Okay.
at all. So yeah.
Because he has like one that has like Y, X, and then Y goes to epsilon. He put pop, no push, and the next line is just X.
Yeah. So we can just replace E prime right there.
Do you have an extra E or am I like the one above that?
I think wait, there should be an E here.
Because it doesn't just E turn to or E prime turn to epsilon or tilde E.
Yeah, you have too many E.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. So that.
delete E. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
And then we just have E at the end. And then turn to
Um.
T.
Or,
Turn T into F. T prime. T prime. V.
wait,
I
no,
think
pop and
there you have a push. Yeah. It's a T prime.
Oh, it's a T, right. Wait, E turns into T and E. Okay, yeah, T and
Yeah.
E. Prime. And then here we T turns into F T prime.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a second, guys. I'll be right back.
All right. And then T F T prime. Alright.
And F will go to num. I think
And
we
then
pop the next. Then we'll just have to get everything to epsilon, which I think, yeah, both of them will go straight to it.
so now we have T prime, E prime. Oops, sorry. Yeah, that was sorry. And then
And
um
pop no push.
and then E
And pop no push. And we just have the dollars and accept. And we should be good.
okay. Let me remember this real quick.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Where this arrow from left to right recursive for predictive person means that it's ambiguous.
Don't we don't we just make it so that it's like x equals t plus x? So then it'll just be right recursive.
I think we have like three things now instead of two.
You mean like add x? So I thought he just meant we'd replace e with x as a new production.
We might do that too. Maybe something like this. Hmm. Like where like it just sends you to a new level basically.
Mm,
I don't know if that's right though or not.
I'm just not sure if that's what he wants when he says use X as the new symbol, but
Yeah, I'm not
if that's how he
exactly.
wants it, then that would work.
Does he say in the notes what production means?
I try looking for it, couldn't find anything.
I guess.
I think it's fine.
Yeah, I
I'll
can't tell if it's
see.
like the things on the right or the things on the left. Like,
Yeah,
I think it's fine.
I think let's just go with that.
It is?
Yeah,
Okay.
with
Use the left front.
definition.
I think the metal ones are the only one we have to change, right? Just the only one that has non-unique starting.
Yeah,
Wait, what do you mean?
I think the if statement, the those two lines are the only two we have to fix.
Oh,
I think
okay.
everything has to be unique, and statements as unique and expressions are both unique, but these start out the same.
Change it to the
So you're saying like, um,
mm, should we just make like a new symbol?
Yeah, I think we need a new left thing, a new name or something. How do they do it in here?
Okay, they have the first part in common. So we can just do if statement goes to if statement expression statement X, and then X can be either
Oh yeah,
epsilon or else statement.
expression X.
Uh, write statement after expression and before X. Right, like right after, right before X, write statement, yeah.
Like that?
And then, yeah, then you can delete the second like line and replace that with X. Or I mean like fully delete it and make it like X arrow. And then X can either be else statement, right? So like a statement after else, or it can just be epsilon.
yeah, I think that's right.
Should be right.
Yeah, I think that looks good to me.
Yeah.
What's in the estimate or
Oh yeah, the if the thing after if statement should just be if.
okay, yeah, I was gonna say that's like a loop. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, if
And they all
expression. Okay.
as long as they all start with something different, then it's
Yeah,
predicted. Good predicted. All right.
Okay. Is that it? Do we want to change this epsilon thing to just having
I think we
yeah, I
might have
think that
some
should
duplicate ones since we did that.
yeah, okay. Oh
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
we
if you
have
get rid of that row,
this row 19?
I think so.
yeah.
Sweet poppy push.
Yeah, we didn't actually pop anything in that.
Okay. Yeah. So renumber it, but that's fine. And then
Should be another duplicate row wherever you deleted the other one.
here.
I think 26 and 7.
So delete this. Does look right? E. I'm pushing E. Yeah. Okay. I think this looks right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. And then this looks good.
Mm-hmm.
And these are good. Sorry. We done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'll
So
do,
and you'll do the form?
yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
This
Yeah,
way
I'll send the link once it's done, like rendering or whatever.
you can send the link like before it's fully done, and it'll just update anyway.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
As soon as you upload the video, it should give you a link. So yeah,
sure. All right.
do that. All right.
All right. See y'all.
Yeah.
See ya.